Now I want to introduce product function. This is very simple function as well as other. I want to multiply column J and K to get total price of products. So product function is used to multiply the values of cells, cell reference range, rows or columns. Its syntax is also very simple and similar to others function. This is the name of function. In arguments, you can add any numbers, cells, range, rows and columns. As a result, function returns the result in a given cell. So let's try. Active a cell L17. In Formulas tab, click Insert function. Type product in search box. Click Go. Select the product function from the list. Click OK. The function arguments dialog box opens. In number 1 box, select the cell range. You have some instructions here. Multiplies all the numbers given as arguments. So click OK. Here you have a product of these two numbers. It's easy and simple. Now I fill the rest of cells by autofill formula. Now move your pointer at right vertical border bottom edge until its shape changes to plus sign. Double click. Here you have result in rest of cells. Excel automatically changes the cell references in the formula. Active this cell. You can see cell references of these cells change into formula.